We talk about how can you find messages on your Waplog app. We go to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. So all you have to do, so you just go down, you click here on this sign down here, just click on it. So then it's going to take you to your profile. It's going to show for you like this here. So then here you will find all messages you have here. Then here you will find active messages here. Then here you will find in red messages here. Sorry, you will find here in red messages. So and here can you find all messages here. Like you see here, I have all this. It's only these messages, but if you have a lot, can you find it here in this list on your Waplog app? That's all you have to do. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribing.